time of reckoning, family. We're going right into our rice and peas pot. You see the steam coming up through. And then, I don't know if you can see it, you know. But if you look right here, I can't put my hand too near, you see the steam coming right up. So camera girl, get right in, but don't crowd up the lens. Yes, family, when you open your rice and peas pot, that's how it must look. You want a video to show you when your rice and peas is ready and you're opening up the pot, how your pot look with the steam coming out of it, and this is it. Let's get right in. First and foremost, as I told you, all these herbs, when they are finished, they are going to come to the top. So right away, the first thing we proceed to do is to lift them out. Remember, we scotch bonnet, put in your hand in there. Be careful, it's your rice and peas. With ginger, I think I had a little piece more ginger, and we're going to search for scallion and thyme. Family, no, the pigtail coming up, but you are not herbs, you know, please. You're not coming out. You will be going straight down our gullet, you see. So we're taking out all of these. And as you go along, you might not just get everybody right now, you know. But as you go along, you will. So now, you need your 2-teeth fork. Because the rice and peas is ready. You taste a few grains at the top. It's ready. I'm going to turn my flame off. Get right in. Not a spoon. From the bottom and up. And as you go along, you take out your herbs because they are in there. As you go along, you pick them out. So this is how you turn up your rice and peas. From the bottom up. And remember, as you go along and you find your herbs, your scallion and your thyme, your ginger, we got out our pepper already. We're not going to proceed to take out the pimento seed. Then family, you got to eat around the pimento seeds. If one go down your throat, nothing wrong, family, it's good for you, okay? From the bottom and up, and picking out your herbs as you go along. Look at it. Yeah, from the bottom, this is a beautiful, decent pot of rice and peas. From the bottom up, y'all, this is how you turn up your rice and peas. And we're gonna proceed. So we get with pigtail come out, with piece of pigtail coming out whole. Yeah, because we put it in there to flavor it. So from the bottom up, so you find all of your peas and you find all of your herbs. Now look at the proportion of the peas to the rice right here. Look at it. Now if you want to have when you eat it to be not to be gassy, you'd have to use less peas. That means you would have just a few grains of peas in your rice and peas. But this is how you need your rice and peas to be looking. Now I'm gonna plate up some for you all. And you know what happened? I'm not gonna sort of rice and peas to eat. I'm gonna plate up some for you. Let me get this out of the way. I'm gonna know why, you know, family may have a little some little uninvited guests right in my kitchen, some little busybody flies. But I'm gonna plate you up some. So, rice and peas are serious dish, you know. So, I'm gonna give you another little teeny bowl and sitting. So we're gonna take up some. I'm gonna give you a good serving. Your rice, at the rice and peas. Yes? Look at it. Look at it, y'all. Old time, long time, authentic Jamaican rice and peas. And you know what happened? I have here for you some good old Jamaican fried chicken. And you please check it out, y'all. It's on the channel. When anybody hear about fried chicken and rice and peas, them go ballistic, them go crazy. I don't know why. I don't know why, but we have, and I'm gonna give you some of the gravy onto your rice. And I'm gonna smother a little of the fried chicken gravy over your fried chicken. So if you feel free, I have a few slices of ripe plantain here for you all. Because you know I'm preparing it for you all. So I'm going to give you, pass the vegetable you all. As I would never, ever be so disrespectful to serve you all. So, in a Jamaica, I would say barefoot rice and peas. So, rice and peas. No, please. So, I'm prettying up your plate, you all. And I'm going to proceed to get some dish up to taste. But I am not, from my kitchen to yours, from my kitchen to your palate, to your stomach, enjoy y'all. Old time, long time rice and peas and fried chicken straight from down a yard there. No blasted sugar, none of them stuff there. Enjoy y'all. And I am gonna let some tasting go on for you. My son is gonna taste. Cause him got long. So me I gonna give. He has never tasted the pigtail in it. He has never seen me done it like this before. So I'm gonna let him taste it with piece of the pigtail. Cause him love pigtail, you know. So I'm gonna make him taste up for you. And him also, him love fried chicken. And ketchup is there. Everything him eat ketchup and family. So I'm gonna give him some gravy. And I'm gonna smother his rice and peas with a little extra. Feel free, son. And you're gonna talk to the family. You're going to taste the rice and peas. Them no want no vegetable in the family. Them are young people. And you're going to taste. Put the camera on him there. You're gonna taste the rice and peas. You're gonna tell them how it tastes. You're gonna taste the pig's tail in there. Tell them how it goes. Put the camera right on in. They're waiting to hear.
It's awesome.
Taste the pigtail. The pigtail we cooked down night. You never tasted it like that before, son. Taste it and let them know. Bite it, cause I hear thing that. Hold the camera on him there, camera girl. And in the meantime, let them have a look at what is happening right there. Fear, I hope your hands is on this girl. Big up yourself. So family, come. You're not supposed to do that, name, so you're supposed to tell the people how it tastes. But the camera supposed to eating if you got to say you're telling them.
Never tell the people them say it tastes
taste them, tell them, show them piece of the fried chicken, show them some of the rice and peas, show them the pig's tail.
See there, everyone.
Bite the pig's tail that come out of the rice and peas. Taste the rice and peas.
It's shot.
Tell them.
Shot.
Family, from my kitchen, from my family Jamaican kitchen to you all, it's rice and peas. Yeah, from scratch, old time, long time, authentic rice and peas. Family, I cut Debbie from down a yard.